So in the seventh problem, you have to find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. So since the point is lying on the x-axis, the y-coordinate of that point will be 0. The coordinate of that point should be x, 0. So let that point be A. So A's coordinates are x0 and B we are taking as the second point 2, -5 and the third point C is -2, 9. Now it is given that this particular point A, it is equidistant from B and C, that is these 2 points. So therefore AB and AC, these lengths have to be equal. You will substitute in distance formula and you will find the length AB and length AC. So that will be 2 minus x the whole square, that is x2 minus x1 the whole square, plus -5 minus 0 the whole square. So when you simplify, you will get 2 minus x the whole square plus 25. Same way, you will substitute the coordinates of A and C now in distance formula and find the length AC also. So that one will be -2 minus x the whole square plus 81. Now since it is given that AB and AC are equal, you can equate these two values. So when you equate these two, now there is a square root sign on both the sides. So you can square both sides and remove the square root sign. So when you do squaring, you will get 2 minus x the whole square plus 25 is equal to -2 minus x the whole square plus 81. Then you will expand it using identity on both sides. Now x square plus 4 and x square plus 4 is coming on both the sides. So that can be cancelled. So when you simplify and solve for x, you will get x equal to -7. So the coordinate of that point which is on the x-axis and is equidistant from these 2 points will be -7, 0. So in question number 8, you have to find the value of y for which the distance between these 2 points P and Q will be 10 units. So distance is already given, but one of the coordinates is a variable that is not known to you. So you have to find that variable. So PQ distance, you will just substitute these values of the coordinates in distance formula and equate that to 10 units. So that is PQ, when you find using distance formula, it will be 10 minus 2 the whole square plus y minus of -3, that will become y plus 3 the whole square, and you will simplify this. This is equal to 10. Then to remove the square root sign, you can do squaring on both sides. So you will get y plus 3 the whole square is equal to 100 minus 64, that is 36. Then you will simplify this, you will get a quadratic and you will solve the quadratic. You can use splitting the middle term or you can even use quadratic formula and solve. So you will get two values of y here. It could be either 3 or -9. If Q01 is equidistant from P 5 minus 3 and R x6, then find the values of x. Also find the distance QR and PR. So equidistant means the distance between Q and P and distance between Q and R, they are equal. So using distance formula, you will find PQ and QR. So that is 5 minus 0 the whole square plus -3 minus 1 the whole square, and you will get it as root 41. This is the distance PQ. Then you will find distance between Q and R. Now here in the coordinates of R, you have one variable. So you will leave it as a variable only. So it will be x square plus 25, square root of that. That is the value of QR. Now it is given that it is equidistant from P and R. That means PQ and QR are equal. So in the next step, you will equate these two distances that you have obtained. That is square root of 41 is equal to square root of x square plus 25. Then squaring both sides, you will be getting a quadratic. And quadratic will be having two values, that is x square is 16 you are getting, so x can be plus or minus 4 both. And both the values are possible. So after finding the point x, you will be finding the length QR and PR. Now here two set of coordinates are possible for R. 4, 6 and minus 4, 6. So you will take two cases here. Case 1 will be when the coordinate of point R is 4, 6. And using that, you will find the values of QR and PR. So you will get it as root 41 and root 82. Next, you will take the coordinates of R as minus 4, 6. And you will find another two values of QR and PR. So that will be root 41 and 9 root 2 units. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. So again, since it is given it is equidistant, you will find the distance between xy and 3, 6 and then xy and minus 3, 4 and you will equate the two of them. And when you equate, then you have to square on both sides to remove the root sign. And you can simplify that a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square using identity. And here you will just get a relation between x and y. And you will just leave it at that. You don't have to find the values because there are two variables here. So you cannot solve unless you have two equations. So you are only supposed to find a relation between them. That you are getting is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0.